If the screen recording button is missing on your iPhone, then today we are here with troubleshooting steps on how you can restore it. So let's get started. So now firstly simply swipe down from the top right corner for iPhone X and later, or swipe up from the bottom for iPhone 8 and earlier to open the control center on your home screen. You should now see the screen recording button or circle inside a circle. But if you don't have that, then all you have to do is long press on the any blank space of control center, then tap on the add control option available at the bottom. Now, once you tap on the add control option available there, you will be navigated to the list of options of control center. So now tap on it. Now here you can find screen recording option available. Now all you have to do is tap on the screen recording option available in there, and that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.